What's up, guys? This is knivesplus.com. Welcome to another walk around. We're going to be taking a look at the new CRKT RASP. This is a new knife for 2018, and it was designed by Sergeant Major Darrin Sirois. This is part of their Forged by War series, which is a cool series they've done for the last few years. And they actually give about 10% of the profits on these knives to the charity of choice of the veterans. So really cool thing they're doing over there. It's helping a lot of people out, helping a lot of these veterans out, and just really love the whole program. This is the RASP. It does stand for Rescue and Special Purpose. It is a large size knife, weighs about 5.5 ounces. You can see the steel liners, handles here. Does have a nice frame lock in the back as well. Opens up with a flipper there, or you do have a thumb stud that is one-sided, but it is very easy to open up. Does have a pocket clip. It is tip down carry. Really kind of a cool design on the pocket clip as well. You do have a small lanyard in the back, and then some machining on the back of the handle there as well. Opens up really nicely. It's got kind of a modified Wharncliffe blade. He actually refers to it as a Wharncliffe, and you can kind of see you got a little bit of a wave here in the edge, not a completely straight line. Does have some jimping up here on the top. Nice size handle and blade. Everything fits the hand really nicely. The cutout for the index finger feels good. Just a really cool knife. Blade steel on this knife is AUS 8, so a little bit nicer blade steel than you'll see on a lot of the CRKT knives. Kind of a nice addition on this one, and the blade is just over 3.5 inches long. Does have a stonewash finish throughout. Really kind of adds to the look of that knife. Really like this Forged by War series that they're doing. The RASP is an awesome addition to that. They are available at knivesplus.com, and I will drop a link down in the info section. Get on over to knivesplus.com to learn more.